Hello people of YouTube, my name is Brad, this is my channel Adam Orange, and welcome to another news flash. I just got some information in from my source at Metal Earth, and a couple of different things have come to light here very recently. One of the things I talked about a few weeks ago in another video was another exclusive that was coming up through HobbyTown. HobbyTown, and I've heard some different rumors from different people about this. HobbyTown is getting a couple of in-color exclusive Ford models, and I now have official images about those exclusive. We have the Ford Mustang and the 1908 Model T. These are models that will be coming soon to HobbyTown as exclusive through HobbyTown Models. They are in color, which is basically red, although with the Model T it's red and gold, and I really think the red and gold look awesome together. It's an awesome accent. I'm a little concerned about there being some gold in there because the gold is a little more delicate to work with and breaks easier, but putting it together it will look like an awesome model. And the Mustang looks to be kind of mostly red and black, which is very fitting for the Mustang. So the very bright shiny red color, that'll be very interesting. I will say that for the most part they look like the same models, just recolored as the 2008 Model T, or not 2008, oh my goodness, 1908 Model T that was already out, and the 65 Mustang that's already out. However, the Mustang pretty clearly in that picture seems to have gotten an update to the hubcaps, whereas the original 65 Mustang just kind of had a flat outside wheel cover with some engraved detail. This actually looks like hubcaps similar to what are on some of like the Freightliner truck models and such, which is really cool, a nice addition. It's a little questionable about whether or not the hood and the trunk areas are exactly the same, because I only have one angle on the red Mustang and several angles on the silver one, so I can't say for sure. Word is that they're pretty much the same model, but this is the pictures that I have, and there'll probably be an official announcement about that coming soon. Now at the same time, and it's no big surprise, unfortunately I don't have pictures for this, but I also have word that very soon on the Fascinations website will be several more coming soon models. They will also be in color Ford models, and they're going to expand upon the range. I have a list right here. We have MMS 196, which is a 1910 Ford Model T in color. 2 sheets. Dimensions are 80 by 40 by 40 height. So 80L by 40 width by 40 height. I'm going to go out on a limb and say that's centimeters, because that doesn't make any sense to be inches. We have MMS 197, which is a 1931 Ford Model A. That'll be pretty cool. In color as well. 2 sheets, and that's 85 by 37 by 40. Again, I'm guessing centimeters. Then we have the MMS 198, which is a 32 Ford Coupe. That sounds pretty cool. I'm looking forward to that one. 2 sheets plus a .25 ME silver sheet with the dimensions of 90 by 40 by 35. We're not done yet. We have a MMS 199 1937 Ford pickup in color. That's kind of exciting. We're getting into the 30s, so it's going to be some interesting shaping of big fenders on that. Again, 2 Metal Earth sheets, 90 by 35 by 35 in height. And last but not least, we have MMS 207 1925 Ford Model T Runabout in color, 2 sheets, plus a .25 ME brass sheet, metal brass sheet I guess. Dimensions are 78 by 45 by 48 in height. Word is the expected arrival date is in November, and I don't know if that's the expected arrival date as far as getting it out. Expected arrival date for Fascinations, and then they got to get it out to the retailers, or if that's expected date at retailers. But general rule of thumb, as far as I'm concerned, always take that expected arrival date and add at least a couple of weeks, if not a month, for things just to not go as planned, because I mean the world we live in today, things don't go as planned. So when they say in color, I don't know if they're also going to be red, if they're going to be multicolor, what's going on. Unfortunately, I don't have any pictures at this time. They'll probably be popping up on the website fairly soon, but I figured I would sandwich everything in together because it's interesting that all this news came about at the same time. I've been I've heard the rumors, strong rumors about the HobbyTown exclusive, and I had heard they were going to be red, but it's just been a while to get artwork approved as it is, because things like that take time. But I don't have any idea what colors are going to be involved with the other Ford model cars or Ford vehicles, but they don't appear to be exclusives. The 1910 Ford Model T and the 25 Model T, the 31 Ford Model A, the 32 Coupe, and the 37 Pickup, I'm guessing are just going to be regular Metal Earth models. And the only hints at color that we have is one of the sheets has some silver, and the other sheet, it doesn't really say. So I should probably also add, with the HobbyTown exclusives, I'm not exactly sure how they're organizing what sheets that come in there, because normally these models are like 1 or 2 sheets, but as you can see, I'm keep looking over to my right because that's where the pictures are, there's some gold and white in the Model T, the 1908 Model T. So I'm guessing there's some partial sheets in there to accommodate for those colors, as well as the Mustang has some, looks like black and silver. So there's going to be, probably going to be odd shaped, maybe half size or quarter size sheets to accommodate the different colors as well. So that's going to be another difference in between the way they were in just silver and the way they are in the new design. As more becomes available, as always, I will put that out there, if not on social media, definitely this Friday when I do my 3D metal model news. But this is a news flash, and I thought I'd get it out pretty quick. As always, thank you for watching, and keep on keeping on.